What's up everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic Design. So you can see my smile because I've been so excited for Lotus to bring this car to the market. The Evora was a spectacular platform. The supercharged V6 had incredible sound. And if you guys saw a video we did about a year ago of our full exhaust system on an Evora, it sounded spectacular. It sounded like this. So our objective was to make the new Emira sound just as good or maybe even better. On the car right now we have our full titanium exhaust. It is comprised of a rear section and it does have a third cat delete in this position. We're using the customer's car that was brought to us, already had a third cat delete from a different company, so we just left that there for ease of installation so we could get this video out to you as fast as possible. A couple things to note about the system. It does come with titanium exhaust tips, so if you don't want to use your original exhaust tips, you can remove these out of the bumper and then you can put the titanium tips through, so those look great. Another thing is you'll see this is a vacuum actuated valve. On the production ready systems you will have an electronic valve so you can use your OEM configuration with the buttons in the car to open and close the exhaust. But as we're doing our development and rapid prototyping, we used a vacuum valve just for ease of installation. The system is comprised of full 3 inches into the valve and then it splits to an equal length 2.5 section to wrap around, and then it comes out the exhaust tips. We're really stoked to bring this exhaust to the platform. I'm so excited for these cars. They're such great value, but they really need some assistance with the exhaust sound. So I'm gonna do the full sound characteristics today for you guys. Startup, revs, flybys, hard acceleration. We can put a GoPro on the rear bumper and interior clips. So you guys know exactly what your Emira is gonna sound like with the best exhaust configuration. On the ground here, you see the stock Emira exhaust configuration. We've got this large center muffler here, and the Valvetronic titanium system saves over 25 pounds compared to this setup and offers way more flexibility between loud and quiet. So it really is no compromise. This is gonna become a good paperweight, good for doing bicep curls, but a lot of improvement in this area. So excited to show you guys the Valvetronic titanium system. Let's get to the sound. Guys, we're inside the Emira. My face is very excited right now because this car, I've just been so excited for this car for so long. Right now, we got the valves closed, and again, it's important to remember that when you get your system for your Emira, you will have the option to have the electronic valve control harness, or you can connect it to the car. Right now, because this is a development system, we are using the separate remote, but you can control it through the screen. Driving with the valves closed It's so quiet, so reserved, and this car does have the bypass for the third cat, which was installed before the car got to us. And the Valvetronic system does come with its own cat delete section there. It comes with its own free flow section there, but with the valves closed, it's so quiet. But listen to then the sound change. Ready? Woo-hoo-hoo! I've been so excited about this car for so long. And man, does it sound good with this setup.
Oh, bro, this thing's a rocket.
Yeah, this thing's cool. I like it. Sound is really, really good. And it's not that fast. You don't feel shortchanged because the car is not that fast. It just feels fun. The Evora was the same way, and now like how good this car looks, there really is no compromise, especially with this exhaust. Fuck, I like this car. Supercharger like mixed with the exhaust noise is so fun. Very nice. it.